why you react like that? Like it was just a hug.
Because we are not used to hugging people.
Oh, okay. Never?
Maybe among young people, among friends, like really close friends, maybe they would do it, but like I rarely do that with my friends actually.
Okay, so very different about my culture, you know, because I need to hug people when I meet them, and of course my mom, my family, a lot of hugging, and and kissing too.
Kissing, probably no.
No. You never
where
kiss?
I'm from, no.
Really?
I mean, with boyfriend, girlfriends, I kind of kiss, but
Okay.
not the greeting kiss like in Italy or in France, for example.
We used to kiss 2 times in the beginning, ciao, starting from the right side, and to kiss at the end. And if I meet again the same day, I kiss you again. Then, okay, but with my respect, I don't kiss you, okay?
Okay.
All my respect. But just to tell you about hugs, when I went with my mom in Asia, in Vietnam, to do my show, The Voice of the Body, after the show, they start to hug my mom. All the Vietnamese in the place, like, mommy, hug.
Oh, wow.
But we saw that was weird for them hugging, like difficult, but they did. They needed contact with my mom, hugging her. It was.
I think that's
What do you
very
think?
unusual. Maybe you and your mom did a really good job in making everyone do something out of their comfort zone. So, and also maybe among women it's a bit easier if of course it is much easier for a woman to hug another woman. But
Right.
if you see, like if a man come and hug me, maybe I would like,
Like be embarrassed. Right? Oh, stop
What does
it.
he want?
Yes. Then maybe my mom was a superhero, and I mean in terms of emotional intelligence, because we need to spread with our body our passion, our emotions usually. And of course, when we talk with each other, we touch a lot because we need the intimate, discussion, right? Even this for you is weird, right?
yes, we are not really used to that. Well, I mean, me
touch
maybe
me.
a bit like I'm more used to that. But like for someone who have always only lived in Hong Kong, it would probably be a bit too close.
Too close. And there is a distance between the bodies when we have a discussion. You need distance.
Yes.
How
I think so.
much?
It's probably hard to measure, but like you feel kind of like, I think this is a good
This is a good 1 meter.
safe distance.
Then if I do this, it's
1.5
uncomfortable for you.
social distancing.
Social distance, right. Then it's so interesting to understand the differences that we have in our cultures, but
Yes.
I love it because difference is beauty,
Yes.
and is a richness. Then thank you, darling. Let's go to continue about body language and gestures, Italian gestures. What do you think?
Yes, let's do that.